Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on browsing anonymously on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can only use anonymous browsing if you are logged in to a Reddit account. Open the Reddit app and tap on your user icon in the top right corner. Tap on your username below your avatar. Then tap Anonymous Browsing. Everything you do on Reddit after this point won't be saved to your account, and you won't get recommendations based off what you do when in anonymous browsing mode. Tap OK. You can see that you are in anonymous browsing by the avatar in the top right corner of the screen, where your user icon would normally be. To exit anonymous browsing, tap on the avatar in the top right corner. Then tap Leave Anonymous Browsing. You can see you are back in regular browsing mode by your user icon in the top right corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Reddit tips and tricks.